Anyway, so this is my current setup in my office. I know I said I was going to give you guys an office tour, but I never really got the office 100% how I wanted. So I just really was like, I don't really want to do the office tour. So I'm still working on some things little by little, and then I'll probably do it. So these 4 books, or actually 5, are my daily reads, and I write in every single one of them daily. So this one, I go through and I go off of the scripture for the day. I read that. This one is one of my gratitude books, and I have what I want to accomplish there. And then this is my gratitude book that I write in at night and in the morning. And then this is my business ideas and other things that I have in my YouTube journal. So yeah, I definitely script, which is, you know, how you attract things that you want to manifest in your life.